Hey guys, do you have any problem in choosing the study programs? Yeah, so actually I have this information from Department of Electrical Engineering and Informatics. We'll have summer course this July. So yeah, let's take a look.
Department of Electrical Engineering and Informatics will hold an international summer course about digital transformation. In this workshop, you will explore, discover, and reflect on your current digital competence and skill levels. By joining this course, you will get a lot of benefits. Those are transferable course credit, expert lectures from UGM and partner universities. So, don't miss it. Come join us.
Okay, so are you interested in? Let's join.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.